Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Design News, where I share with you the greatest and latest in design, trends, as well as resources. So without further ado, let's just get into it. Amongst today's top stories are Google is changing its design, and it's gonna affect the design industry a lot. Also, a tool that can convert your Google documents into actual real-life websites. So to begin with, you must have seen all your favorite influencers putting out this one post on LinkedIn, Instagram, everywhere, where there are new logos of the Google services like Gmail, Google Drive, and much more. Now, this is being pushed to mainly enterprise-level software, but we know Google. If they use a design one place, they'll use it in another place as well. Apart from that, I believe there's going to be a huge shift in the material design, very similar to what Microsoft has recently done. It kind of gives me very similar vibes. I want to know how you feel about the new Google redesign. Down in the comments, make sure you put your opinion, what you like, what you don't. Apart from that, Dribbble has come up with an amazing resource where they share with you how freelancers and everybody else also should price their design projects. If you're going for freelancing, or even if you're a full-time designer, you should know how to value yourself. This article really focuses on it. I'll have a link in the description. Do check it out. Apart from that, they have a community tab now. Major part of the Dribbble community is going to come forth and give you great content every single week. You can keep up with there if you like reading, if you like articles, extensive articles on both UX as well as freelancing and other stuff. Next is a segment I like to call Tools, Tools, Tools. And in today's top tools, Google Docs can now be converted into actual coded websites. It is a little confusing at first, but once you get into it, once you start your own project, you will see how easy it is to convert your simple Google Docs where you just brainstormed into actual designs and code that you can publish as an actual website. I think this is a very cool idea. There are a few flaws here and there. I've tried it myself. It's not fully baked, but it gets you very close to an actual project that you can make using just Google Docs. Apart from that, Framer has introduced an entire library of animations. If you want to get started with animations and prototyping, advanced level designing as well, make sure you check this out. There is a huge library of each and every interaction that you see in applications and in other websites as well. A really cool resource has cropped up. It's called Steep. Steep allows you to see all the amazing stories that other designers or other companies are creating on their social media platforms. You can get a lot of inspiration for your own social media. I'm sure everyone on here wants to grow their Instagram, their LinkedIn, everything, and these will help you grow on these platforms. Now imagine Figma, but for web design. Well, there is a website which is recently cropped up. It's called Centige. It's like Figma and Webflow had a baby. That would be Centige. You can basically create fully working websites and web apps inside your browser, similar to what you can do with Figma, but in this case, you're actually working on a website and not just a design. Log in today to get some free features, but then yes, again, they have a pricing model as well. Not very attractive, but it's okay if you're looking for just using it for yourself, or if you're actually trying to get serious into this, you can always spend a few dollars on such an amazing tool. That was it for today's design news. If you like today's design news, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. That really motivates me and keeps me moving forward. Also subscribe for videos every Monday and Thursday. I always say that. Hit the subscribe button. It is free, of course, to subscribe to this channel. Make sure you support me on other social media. I will have the links in the description and links to everything else also in the description. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. God bless.